Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about the grammar simple present. The simple present adventure. Today we are going to learn how to use the simple present tense in English. And guess what? We've got a special cartoon friend to help us. Let's go. Hi, I'm Timmy, the time traveler. I love visiting different times, but today I'm stuck in simple present. I want to help me understand. Of course, the simple present tense is all about things that happen regularly, always, or are generally true. Let's see some examples. Look, the mom wakes up at 6 a.m. every day. The dad drinks coffee. The kids go to school. These are daily routines. Great observation. Team. For daily routines, we use the simple present. Here's the rule. I, you, we, they, plus the base form of the verb. For example, I eat breakfast. He, she, it plus verb plus s or es according to the spelling of a verb. For example, she eats breakfast. Wow, the sun rises in the east. Birds fly. Water boils at 100 degrees. These are facts. Exactly. The simple present also describes facts or general truth. No matter when, these things are always true. And how we make negatives? Easy. Use do not, don't, or does not, doesn't, plus base form of the verb. For questions, start with do or does, according to the subject. For example, she does not or doesn't eat meat. For question, do you play soccer? Now I understand the simple present. Thanks for helping me. Remember, use it for we use it for routines and facts, and add s or es for he, she, it. And negatives and questions need do or does. Good job, Timmy, and great job, learners. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and practice the simple present every day. Bye for now.